Tesla stock is on a verge of a breakout. We are getting extremely tight. We are holding this level of support and we are approaching a massive level of resistance. Whenever we have broken a level of resistance, we have had a massive push to the upside. So taking a look at Tesla stock, we are looking to break out potentially on the weekly time frame. In this video, I want to go over the psychological and technical analysis to keep you guys prepared if you are holding Tesla stock. I'm taking a look at shares play. So this is going to be a nice shares play if you're investing in Tesla around 52%, as well as a nice option play. So we do have a symmetrical triangle set up to play the gap to the upside, but I'll be going over that. Subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to go to SundayStockTalk.com for a completely free newsletter that you can get right into your email, and as well as follow me on Twitter. So let's get started. Now, before I take a look at Tesla, one thing we have to keep in mind is the overall market. So the technical analysis for Tesla looks amazing. It looks A+. We are looking incredible, but we need the overall market to also look good. And the way we can do that is by checking SPY and QQQ. So QQQ is actually the tech ETF. So it holds stocks like Amazon, Google, Meta, Tesla, and Apple. And taking a look at QQQ, we have a nice level of support, just like Tesla. So we have this critical level of support that we are watching for QQQ. We need to hold this level. We have this nice trend line on the weekly time frame. Taking a look at the daily time frame, we can see this nice consolidation and psychologically us holding this level of support. So psychologically, just take a look at these previous 7 candles. We have bounced off very nicely and we have consolidated between these zones. So the price action right here is looking good. We just need to hold this level of support. So just like SPY, just like QQQ, and just like Tesla, we need to hold this level of support. So let's go back to Tesla. We need to hold this level of support for Tesla for us to be bullish. So this is going to be our stop loss if we close below this area on the weekly time frame. So let's take a look at QQQ. Tesla and QQQ and SPY, they all really look the same. We have this trend line and we have this level of support, and we are getting extremely tight. The confirmation for a bullish trend is going to be if we close above on the resistance on the daily and the weekly time frame. So let's talk about Tesla stock now, and the psychological analysis for Tesla stock looks just like QQQ and just like SPY, which are looking good. We have this level of support. This is going to be our stop loss. So I'm going to color this red. Okay, we are going to be getting very bloody if we go below this area of support. So this is the danger zone for Tesla. We do not want to be here, and so far we are looking good. We are holding this level of support on the weekly time frame. So that is going to be around a 10% loss for shares, but then our upside potential, is all the way to all-time highs, because if SPY and QQQ all break out of this setup, our potential is all-time highs. So taking a look at Tesla, our risk to reward is looking nice for shares, but let's take a look at a closer look at the daily time frame. So we also have, I'm going to clear this chart, I'm going to remove this drawing, and we also have a closer look. We have a nice symmetrical triangle. So we have this nice symmetrical triangle that we are actually setting up for a day trade and for a options play. So I want to play options here to the upside. We have this nice gap for Tesla. So take a look at how we touched this gap and then we rejected and we came all the way back down and we bounced off this level of support, and now we are trading sideways between these zones and between the symmetrical triangle. So above 268 we have this nice gap to the upside for Tesla. So this gap is going to be a huge play to fill this gap. So this is going to be the options play on Tesla. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. And it just looks great. Looks like Meta, looks like Apple. We have a lot of these great setups right now in the market. So with Tesla, which is looking bullish, and the overall market is looking bullish, we are looking very nice and setting up very nicely, especially for next week. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on. Go to sundaystock.com, completely free newsletter right into your email, and follow me on Twitter, and see you guys tomorrow. Take care.